Hello friends. Today, I'm going to explain a simple and interesting C program, a true or false quiz game that includes a time limit for each question. Let's get started. In this program, you'll be asked 5 random true or false questions, selected from a list of 10. But here's the twist, you only have 10 seconds to answer each question. If you take too long, the program will move on to the next one automatically. Now let's see how this program works step by step. First, we include 3 important header files. stdio.h for input and output. stlib.h for generating random numbers. And time.h to keep track of how much time you take to answer. Then we define 2 constants. Total_questions is 5, which means the program will ask 5 questions. Time_limit is 10, meaning you have 10 seconds to answer each one. Next, we create a structure named question. It holds 2 things, tells you how to answer. Just type T for true or F for false, and make sure you do it within 10 seconds. Now comes the main part, a loop that runs 5 times, once for each question. Inside the loop. 1. The program picks a random, unused question. 2. It shows the question on the screen and starts the timer. 3. You enter your answer. 4. If you take more than 10 seconds, it says time's up, and moves to the next question. 5. If you enter something other than T or F, it says invalid input, and asks you to try again. 6. If your answer is correct, it says correct, and adds a point to your score. 7. If your answer is wrong, it says wrong, unless the time was already up. After 5 questions, the program ends and shows your final score, for example. Game over. Your final score is 4 out of 5. So friends, this program is a great example for beginners. It shows how to use structures, random numbers, time functions, and input validation in C programming, all in a single project. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helped you understand the program clearly.